Okay, and the last one here is probably the worst question of all. And it's your Bissell and your McCulloch steamer are stuck in a fire and you can only save one. Which do you save? Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome to the video. Now, I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently today as I'm only answering would you rather or this or that type of questions. Now, I put out a post on Instagram a few days ago and I've gone through all the questions on there and picked a whole bunch of them to answer. So let's dive right in. Oh, that's good. All right, let's get started. So first question, thick crust pizza or thin? Easy answer, thick crust all the way. Summer or winter? I mean, yeah, I'm from Canada, so we deal with a lot of winter here, and there's lots of fun things to do in winter, but summer all the way for sure. All right, well, this next one's a good one, and it's The Office or Schitt's Creek. Now, I'll start by saying both of those shows are phenomenal. They're hilarious. I love both of them. Schitt's Creek is Canadian. It's got that going for it, but I'm gonna give the nod to The Office here. I actually just finished watching the entire show, start to finish again, probably for the 5th or 6th time, so yeah, The Office for sure. Okay, would you rather wrestle a bear or fight a kangaroo? I definitely do not want to wrestle a bear. I don't think that would end well for me. But on the flip side of that, fighting a kangaroo, I don't know. I've seen them fight and they're pretty scrappy. So I think I got to go with the kangaroo though. I don't know. I feel like I'd at least have a chance. Bear's just no good. That's not a good result there. So. Next one, wine or beer? Wine all day. Not wine all day. I'm not gonna drink wine all day. Well, maybe, depending on the wine. I don't drink beer. I actually don't even like beer, so that's an easy one. Wine, usually Moscato. Red or white doesn't really matter, but definitely wine. This next one had a ton of likes, so obviously you guys really want to know the answer to this. And it's carpeted wheel well liners or cheap interior carpet. Now, you guys probably know from watching my videos, I hate both. With a passion, I would say, but the one thing is with carpeted wheel well liners, I'm just using a pressure washer. I don't have to put any real effort into getting those clean, whereas the cheap interior carpet that's like Velcro, you gotta vacuum, you gotta drill brush, you gotta extract, you gotta do all these things. It takes so much time, so much effort. So I gotta say, given the choice between those two, I'm taking the wheel wells all day. All right, so the next one here is, would you rather go mudding off-road or surfing in Hawaii? Now, both of those things I would enjoy doing, but if I take my truck off-roading and get it muddy, I gotta clean up after that. And I mean, well, I kind of do enjoy that, but at least if I go surfing, there's no cleanup. That's easy. So yeah, both fun, but I definitely say surfing in Hawaii. Okay, next one, would you rather go skydiving or scuba diving? Fun fact, I have not done either of those. Jumping out of a plane, yikes, I don't know. Like, I'd probably do it, but if given the choice, I'm going scuba diving though. Just seems like a much safer thing to do. All right, so action or comedy movies. I enjoy both, but I'd probably have to give the nod to comedy. I don't know. Say if I had to choose between the two and I'm scrolling through Netflix or something, I'm probably more often than not picking a comedy. Okay, next one is Trailer Park Boys or Letterkenny. Now, I haven't watched a lot of either, but both good shows, no doubt. But I'm probably gonna give the nod here to Letterkenny. I don't know, that's a funny show. So yeah, Letterkenny for sure. All right, back and biceps or leg day. Now, that's a tough one. I enjoy all the exercises. I enjoy squatting, deadlifting, and obviously back and bicep exercises too, but I think I'll probably have to go with back and biceps. There's just something about getting a good pump that a leg pump just isn't the same. I'll just put it that way. Okay, so next one is Quicksilver or Detail Geek. Now, if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you probably know I wear a lot of Quicksilver clothes. A lot of my wardrobe is Quicksilver. Shorts I'm wearing today are Quicksilver, although I am wearing some Detail Geek merch too. But as much as I love Quicksilver clothes, there's something different when you put a shirt on with your own name on it. So I'd have to say Detail Geek all the way. Okay, so the next one here is, would you rather have everything with ketchup or everything with ranch? Now, I'll start by saying I love ketchup. I put it on quite a few things, and maybe a few foods that you guys would probably find weird, but I've been like that ever since I was a kid. Ketchup is kind of one of my main food groups, so yeah, it's gotta be ketchup. I don't like the smell of ranch. I don't even know if I've ever tasted it. I just don't like the smell of it, so I'm not, no ranch, ketchup all the way. Okay, this next one is a good one. I think we're safe. So it's, would you rather have a complete stranger clean your car or let Mike do it? Now, that's an easy answer for me. Complete stranger all day. Now, you guys have seen Mike. He does not have the attention span to actually get through an entire detail. Whereas I feel like a complete stranger, they probably do a pretty good job. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, complete stranger all day.
Thank you, jerk.
Okay, next one, ketchup or mustard? I think I already answered that. Ketchup all day. I don't like mustard either, so I'm a ketchup guy. JDM or German? JDM. Cats or dogs? Dogs for sure. Cats are good, but dogs are better. Coffee or tea? I'm a coffee guy. I probably have 2 to 3 cups a day. I don't think I could function without coffee, so coffee. Okay, so this next one is, would you rather have more time or more money? And now this might sound weird to you guys, but I probably take time over money right now. Time is honestly the biggest enemy in my life right now. There are so many things that I truly don't have enough time to do everything I want to do in a week. And you know, between all the detailing and, you know, auto care, running a products company, the YouTube, all the social media, it's very demanding, and there's just a lot to do. And yeah, I'd kill for more time every week. So that's really the one thing that money can't buy is time. So yeah, I'm taking time, more time. All right, so this next one is, would you rather listen to the Zac Brown Band or Kenny Chesney for the rest of your life? Now, both artists I love. You know, they have a ton of great music, and I'm pretty sure I own all of their albums. Listen to them all the time, so that's really is a hard choice. I'm gonna have to say Kenny Chesney though, just because he's got more of that island vibe, which kind of I resonate with a little bit more, and maybe has a few more of my favorite songs are his. Both great artists, but yeah, I think I'm going with Kenny. Okay, so next one here is steak or chicken. And this might seem weird, but I'm going with chicken over steak. Simpsons or Family Guy? Now, I grew up watching Simpsons, big fan of Simpsons for sure, but Family Guy's just funnier. I don't know. I gotta go with Family Guy. Ford or Chevy? That's an easy one. Ford for sure. I don't think I'd even buy a Chevy, to be honest. I'm just a Ford guy through and through. Okay. Oh, that's nasty. You can only keep one, your grill or your coffee maker. Ouch. That's a tough one. I live on coffee, and I make burgers. I use my barbecue all the time, like 3 to 5 times a week. Oh, that's hard. I might have to take the coffee maker. I feel like if I didn't have my barbecue, I'd still find a way to cook burgers. But if I didn't have a coffee maker, it seems a little harder to make coffee in the house. Good coffee. So yeah, I'm taking the coffee maker. Okay, and the last one here is probably the worst question of all. And it's, your Bissell and your McCulloch steamer are stuck in a fire, and you can only save one. Which do you save? That's rough. Whoever asked that question, you are maniacal, and I don't know. You guys know I love my Bissell. It has you know, allowed me to transform vehicles. But at the same time, the steamer, you guys see how versatile it is, and I mean, you can use it anywhere, and it like, I think I gotta go with the steamer on this one. Just based on its versatility and the fact that if I didn't have it, I'd have to find some other way to clean all the grime and crud off of things, and the nasty and the puke and the, yeah. Being able to blast it away without touching it is probably the way to go. So yeah, I guess my Bissell's gonna suffer a fiery death, and I'm picking my McCulloch steamer. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do want to see another Q&A, please let me know down in the comments, and make sure that you're following me on Instagram at thedetailgeek1. That way, when I put the post up next time, you guys can get your questions in and hopefully get them answered. But yeah, I will I'll wrap things up here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Wait a minute. Something feels wrong. Hold on. Oh, that's better.